there is an all-time most popular category named war stories, whether it is war stories or web series. This genre is very popular everywhere. Now, mostly these war stories are based on realities that is on historical facts, so people like to watch them and enjoy it. There is always a lot of interest in knowing about it. But what about YouTubes, which make videos of such war stories or war facts? Yes, absolutely, you watch some of these channels, and by looking at their subscriber count, you will get an idea of how popular these channels are. But mostly you will get to see only word-related stories and facts in the form of animated cartoon stories. Now you will think that making it would require a lot of hard work and expertise. Not at all. Now in the era of AI, it is foolish to think like this. You can make such videos. You can do this with a complete animated story and voiceover, and there is a tremendous free AI tool that will help you in this, about which I'm going to tell you further in the video. And the quality of the videos is such that you will be amazed. It is so amazing and high quality video, and apart from this, you can also use this tool to take stock videos. You are going to get amazing videos in it. But the most amazing thing is to know what is it about this tool. It is 100% free. Well, best for now. What is this tool? And how can you create an animated war story? I will tell you everything step by step. So do watch the complete video. Then let's roll. So first of all, let's talk about wars. How will you know on which war you have to write a story in videos? For this, first of all, you should know how many wars have been created so far, in which countries it has been created. Then don't worry. For this, you will get many sites like Britannica. Here you will get different information. According to the time frame of the wars, you will know when and which wars took place between which countries, and all the details related to it will also be available, as you can see. You can get all the information from here. Apart from this, you also have Wikipedia. Here also you will get the information related to all the wars, till now in details, and finally Google's will be known. Now you have to choose which war-related videos you want to make. Now, for example, if this is the Pacific War, which is between US and Japan, this happened in the middle in which US had dropped nuclear bomb on Japan. If I want to make a video related to this, then I will also need a script related to this. Now, where will I get the script? Well, our eternal friend ChatGPT will help us in this. Now I have made ChatGPT, came in and gave it this prompt that I got a YouTube video on the Pacific War between US and Japan and started making this, as you can see. Although we are not going to generate images, but still we will need prompts. Why is that? You will see the next step. You will know in the chat, and you will also get an ACT prompt with GPT in the description below, so you can copy from there and then modify it as per your requirement, so you can generate the complete script and image prompts between the chat and give it to us. Now you have to copy the narrator part from here and keep it in the Word doc on which we are going to do the voiceover. So we will copy the entire narrator part of the entire script from here and keep it in a doc. Let's take it. Now the script for voiceover is ready. Now if you want to convert this script into any other language, then for this, my suggestion would be to make the video in English. Only because in this category, there are many videos from countries like US, UK, Canada. Views will also come in which you can get the benefit of high RPM, which is a bit difficult in non-English videos. You can also use AI for voiceover, like I have used 11 Labs, and if you are using 11 Labs, then you can choose the voice of Brian from here, which is quite deep and looks quite appropriate in this type of narration videos. But keep in mind that if you use any of the voices here, without subscribing to 11 Labs, then reused content will come and monetization. So if you're using 11 Labs, then do it by subscription. Let us also create voiceovers. Now we can generate videos for our script. Let's go to the next step. Now you have to come to this site whose name is Hyper AI. You will get its link in the description below. And from here we are going to make videos for our story. Very amazing videos are going to be made from here. First of all, you have to create your account here, or create video with text option. Then click on it, and the prompt box below will open, as you can see. Now you will be able to create your first video. ChatGPT has already given us the image prompts for all the scenes, so we will copy them one by one. From here we will copy the first prompt and paste it in the Hyper prompt box here as you. Now you can see above, you have to select in which style you want the videos. You will get many options here. You can try and see different options, but right now we are making war-related videos, which should be an old style. I will choose this old film option, and automatically it will add additional promotion in it. As you can see this style, just create now. We will click on, and now it will take some time to generate our video. Now because it is free now, the wait time in it is usually 1 to 2 minutes. so you have to be patient to generate a video. So now our video. This video has been generated. Look what a wonderful video it is, looking exactly like an old-style war movie. Now if you generate HD quality video, then it gives you a maximum duration of only 2 seconds, but we can easily increase it for this. You have 2 options, which I will tell you further in the video. For now, we will download this video from here. After this, again, we will copy another prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, and after choosing the style, we will generate this. Similarly, you have to generate and download videos for all the prompts from here. Now, to increase the duration of the video, the first option you have is to simply use one prompt 2 to 3 times and use the same prompt for a different video. Whether you want to generate a video in a different style, or even generate it in the same style, it will give you new videos every time, so you can use all these videos so that the duration can be parallel. This is one way to increase the duration. Use the same prompt 2-3 times and generate 2-3 different videos related to it and use it. So now I have generated and downloaded all the videos, and the voiceover is also already downloaded. Now we have to do all these things. If it is assembled, then we move to the final step, that is CapCut. So in CapCut, first of all, by clicking on Import, we will bring all the videos and voiceover files here. Now after this, first of all, take the voiceover file in the timeline below. Now come, if you want to increase or decrease the volume of the voiceover, then you can adjust it here. Now after this, according to your script and voiceover, you will bring the videos one by one in the timeline in the same sequence as the voiceover is playing. Now to increase the duration of the video, you have another option that you can reduce the speed of these videos and bring it down to 0.5x, which will make the video a little slower and the duration will be double. It will be done, and you can also sing the videos with your voiceover, so adjust the speed here accordingly. This is also another method for you, so now I have added all the videos here, the duration of all. Both have been properly adjusted according to the voiceover. Now we do not have to do much editing in it. If you want, you can add effects, animation transitions separately, but this video is in itself. It is so good that I don't feel the need of any extra editing in it. We will just do one final work in it, which is auto caption. So by clicking on the text here, we will generate the caption from here because the video is in English, so by CapCut only. We will get the option of auto caption. If the video is in Hindi or any other language, then you will not get auto caption in CapCut. After this, you can customize the caption style, template color, text size. All this is per your choice here. Now, this video is completely ready. We will export it from here, and when you add suspense or war background music to it, and the video gets enhanced, I will also play this video and show it to you. If you have any question or issue, you can comment.
In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, a battle of epic proportions unfolded, a clash that would shape the course of history. It was December 7th, 1941. The peaceful tranquility of Pearl Harbor was shattered as the Japanese Imperial Navy launched a surprise attack. The United States, caught off guard, found itself thrust into a conflict of unprecedented scale. The Pacific War had begun. With lightning speed, Japan seized control of vast swaths of the Pacific, from the Philippines to Singapore, threatening vital American interests. But the American spirit could not be crushed. Across the Pacific, brave men and women rallied to the call of duty, determined to stem the tide of aggression. The stage was set for a showdown of titanic proportions, a clash between two mighty adversaries vying for dominance of the Pacific. As the clouds of war gathered, tensions reached a boiling point. The Battle of Midway would become the turning point of the Pacific War. In the skies above the tiny atoll of Midway, American pilots faced off against their Japanese counterparts in a fierce struggle for supremacy. Against all odds, American forces delivered a devastating blow to the Japanese fleet, sinking 4 aircraft carriers and shifting the balance of power. But victory would not come easily. From the dense jungles of Guadalcanal to the coral reef